If your Bosch bottom freezer has stopped making ice, don't call a repairman just yet. Most fixes take less than 10 minutes. Nearly a quarter of all ice maker service calls are actually caused by simple ice jams or a stuck feeler arm. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find exactly where the system is failing. Safety first, always unplug your fridge before inspecting the mechanical components or water lines. A clogged water filter is a silent killer for ice production, as it drops the pressure needed to fill the tray. If your freezer is even a few degrees too warm, the ice maker's internal thermostat will never trigger a harvest cycle. Distinguishing between a failed water inlet valve and a dead motor module can save you $50 in parts. The most frequent culprit is actually a frozen water-filled tube, which you can fix with a simple hydra. Sometimes the control board just needs a hard reset to clear a glitch and resume the harvest cycle. You likely already have the tools needed to fix this, starting with a basic nut driver and a hair dryer. Remember that the simplest explanation is usually the right one. Always check your water supply and temperature settings first. If these steps helped you get the ice flowing again, hit the like button and subscribe for more Bosch appliance tips.